Hello, my name is Dr. William Park with Bless Smile and Smile on You Dentistry. Today I'll be continuing my series on how to manage bad breath, and more specifically on how to manage your dry mouth. So did you know that your body normally produces about 4 pints of saliva per day? But this could be affected by a number of different things, and this can produce a sensation called XEROSTOMIA, or dry mouth, and this can definitely contribute to your bad breath. So this dry mouth, it can happen when you're nervous, when you're upset, when you're feeling stressed, and that's completely normal. But if you're experiencing this dry mouth every day, your body and mouth might be trying to tell you something. This reduction in saliva flow can be mildly uncomfortable to slightly irritating to some, but it can be seriously debilitating if it's affecting your mouth's ability to lubricate itself, which can affect your ability to chew and swallow properly. This lack of lubrication or hydration in your mouth can cause sensations of bad breath, sore throat, dry or chapped lips, dry tongue. It can even produce burning sensations or can produce fungal infections. But even more than that, the saliva has more than just its lubrication role, but it also serves to wash away some of the bacteria that are causing cavities and gum disease, and this can definitely contribute to some more serious oral complications and issues. So, it's very important to visit your dentist to find out exactly what the underlying issue may be. Dry mouth, it could be caused by over 400 different kind of medications which do have dry mouth as one of its side effects. Or it could be a sign of something more serious like some kind of autoimmune disease or diabetes. But the good news is that there are some things that you can do to help your dry mouth, like sipping water regularly, adding moisture at night with a humidifier, limiting caffeine and stopping any kind of tobacco use, limiting the use of mouthwashes containing alcohol. You should opt for something alcohol-free instead, like ACT mouth rinse. You can chew some gum or have some sugar-free candy, which would stimulate your saliva flow. And there are a number of products that you can actually pick up over the counter from the market or from the pharmacy, like Biotin or Oasis, which will act as saliva substitutes. It's just like the little spray or gel that you place in your mouth, and it kind of helps to substitute the saliva that's missing in your mouth currently. There are also a number of mouthwashes that are specific to dry mouth, like from the company Biotin, and this will definitely help your dry mouth as well and will help in freshening up your bad breath. And as we talked about before, this dry mouth can definitely put you at a higher risk category for both cavities and for gum disease. So you're going to want to make sure that you're using some kind of toothpaste with fluoride in it, which will prevent your cavities. You want to avoid any kind of sugary or acidic foods which can contribute to cavities. You're going to want to avoid any kind of spicy foods which can help to kind of make the dry mouth and the burning sensation even worse. And lastly, you want to make sure to visit your dentist semi-annually just to make sure that everything in your mouth is still up to shape with the dry mouth. So in any case, make sure you're visiting the dentist regularly. And if you do experience dry mouth, make sure to ask them about it. Ask them if they have any kind of advice on any kind of products that you can use or habits that you can change to help prevent your dry mouth from getting worse and to help get some lubrication inside your mouth so you can comfortably eat and swallow. The dentist may even be able to prescribe you a ultra high strength version of toothpaste with a higher fluoride content, which will help prevent your cavities from getting worse. So today we talked about dry mouth, one of the major reasons that you may be experiencing some kind of bad breath. And we talked about some things that you can do at home to prevent it from getting worse. In our future videos, we'll be continuing our series on different things that may be contributing to your bad breath. Make sure to like the video and make sure to subscribe so you can stay tuned to our future videos coming out. Thank you for watching.